Another excuse I often hear is, I can't be bothered. Well, let me ask you, can you be bothered going to the hospital because you're unwell from living an unhealthy lifestyle? I'm just joking. Well, sort of. But the truth is, sometimes we just can't be bothered. And an even bigger truth is, it is far easier to stay in your current position than it is to take action and change. It is far easier to be unhealthy than healthy. Therefore, to overcome this barrier, or excuse of I can't be bothered, is 1. Finding your why so that you're inspired to take action. 2. Finding a fun form of exercise and a meal plan that you can stick to. 3. Creating a routine so you're organized and know exactly what you will be doing and when you'll be doing it. And 4. Being self-disciplined and doing what you should do, when you should do it, whether you feel like it or not. Because sometimes we just can't be bothered. So you just have to get up and do what you should do because you know it is good for you and will move you towards your goals.